welcome to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूँ सागरिका छेत्री and I'm all geared up to share the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Hope you guys are doing fine, staying home, staying safe. And without further ado, let's begin today's episode and find out what are our celebrities up to.
Virat Kohli faces some embarrassing questions thanks to his dear wife Anushka Sharma, who shared embarrassing details with Indian football captain Sunil Chhetri. Khushi Kapoor has opened up about having a complex about her looks growing up and getting trolled for not looking like her mother and sister. Kangana Ranaut is all set to launch her poem Asman on social media. Kangana is joining the group with a poem.
आसमां। कहती हो आसमां एक धोखा है, कहती हो आसमां एक धोखा है। मुझे महसूस कर मेरी मोहब्बत, जो कभी गया ही नहीं, उसे ढूंढ पाओगी कैसे। एक हो जाएंगे हम, अगर मेरी बादलों से गिरती हुई बूंदों को अपने आंसुओं में मिलने दोगी।
After the many music videos released by the male superstars of Bollywood, Kangana Ranaut is all set to share a poem she has written and given her voice to. कंगना जो अभी मनाली में है अपनी फैमिली के साथ has shared कि उनकी कविता का टाइटल है आसमान and has also shared the mood and video of the poem. Well, male superstars के गानों के बाद we're all excited to see what Kangana has come up with during the lockdown. एक्टिंग एंड डायरेक्शन में अपना ब्रिलियंस दिखाने के बाद द मल्टी टैलेंटेड एंड गॉर्जियस कंगना रनौत इज नाउ टर्निंग टू पोएट्री टू एक्सप्रेस हरसेल्फ।
एक हो जाएंगे हम, अगर मेरे बादलों से गिरती हुई बूंदों को अपने आंसुओं में मिलने दोगी। डूब जाओगी मुझ में जब, तो फिर मेरी मोहब्बत को झुठलाओगी कैसे।
After Madhuri announced her single, Kangana is also set to showcase her quarantine creativity. जी हाँ, the star who won 1 million hearts with her performance as a middle-class mom who gets a second chance to fulfill her dreams in Panga and wins hearts off screen with her impeccable fashion sense and no-nonsense attitude is currently in lockdown with her immediate family in Manali, where she has a luxurious holiday home. During the lockdown, Akshay Kumar, Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgan and Ayushmann Khurrana have all composed songs or lent their voice to songs which are meant to spread good cheer or raise awareness during this unprecedented crisis. Recently, Mother's Day pe Kangana had released a poem expressing her gratitude towards her mother and spoke about how no matter where a child wanders, there is no place like a mother's heart.
Mother, I am your longing for life. When I first arose in your young heart, your eyes gleamed with hope. When I came to your womb as a single cell, you breathed to give me life. You ate to give me blood. And then you cut me off from you and gave me to the world. A piece of you, outside of you, lost and looking for you.
Kangana will be seen next as former Chief Minister late Jayalalitha, after which she has Dhakad also lined up. Both films whose shoot can be completed once the lockdown ends.
कहती हो मैं तन्हा हूँ, न मकसद है न मोहब्बत। कभी सोचा है मैं रोज चांद तारे लिए तेरी दहलीज पर खड़ा हूँ। कभी सोचा है मैं रोज चांद तारे लिए तेरी दहलीज पर खड़ा हूँ। तूने कभी सर उठाकर देखा ही नहीं, तो तुझे अपने होने का यकीन दिलाऊं कैसे।
Rui, why are you holding these balloons? We're back! Yash, why are you holding the balloons?
We are back!
We are back! Lockdown with the Johars are back! See you soon!
The terrific twosome are back. Yash and Ruhi Johar ke lockdown videos have cheered up so many people in the country. The two who constantly shock, amaze and troll their poor father and leave him rolling with laughter have become the superstars of the nationwide lockdown. Karan has shared another video of Yash where he claims that the name of his country are Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan. You know, I actually wait for the videos of these two cuties because they just fab.
And what is our country? Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan is not your country.
While it has been a stressful 2 months for everyone in lockdown, the silver lining on the lockdown cloud has been families getting a chance to spend time together. And Karan Johar, who has a very hectic life managing his production house and prepping for future projects he's going to direct like Takht, seems to be enjoying his time at home with his twins.
You're Yash Bhaiya? You've given yourself this title. And if you're Yash Bhaiya, then what is Ruhi? You're Ruhi Didi and he's Yash Bhaiya. And who am I?
Monkey.
I'm a monkey.
Yash and Ruhi have become internet sensations during this period with their sassy comebacks and innocent comments about their father's clothes.
Wow, Ruhi, Yash, we're in Dada's closet. Ruhi, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
No.
Excuse me, what is this you're holding?
Mama,
Whose kurta?
Mama, kurta.
This is not Mama's kurta, this is Dada's kurta.
His need for exercise and even the fact they ask him to take a shower.
Excuse me, what are you all doing in my shower? What? What? You're telling me I'm dirty, I should have a bath?
Karan has now shared a post with the twins posing angelically in color-coordinated clothes. Posing together like pros for their papa, Yash and Ruhi look absolutely adorable.
Yash, do you think you need a haircut?
I just cut my hair.
You just cut your hair. But Dada's hair is also very long, even yours is very long. How do we cut our hair?
But his latest video shows that the terrific twosome is back to their hilarious selves, this time tackling Papa's GK questions with rib-tickling answers. While Yash answers that his name is Yash Johar and that he lives in Mumbai correctly, when Papa asks him the name of his country, Yash has his dad in splits by replying Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan.
What is your name?
Yes, Karan Johar.
Yash Karan Johar. Wow. And what is the city we live in?
Mumbai.
And what is our country?
Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan.
Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan is not your country. Your country is India.
India.
Yeah, I love my India. Say I love my India.
I love my India.
Well, Yash, they have made our country popular around the world. But our country is still India. But don't worry, your only 3 ab jald seekh jayenge.
What is this dance? Where are you taking me? I'm being dragged. Ah! Ah! Shoojit Sircar, whose next film Gulabo Sitabo will be releasing on an OTT platform, has shared कि वो भी यही चाहते थे कि उनकी फिल्म थिएटर्स में रिलीज हो. But with no idea of when the theatres will reopen again and the current situation that's going on and the need to recover costs, he had to take a tough call. His next film is Udham Singh biopic, which still has some post-production work to be done. But whether that film will be releasing on an OTT platform or in movie theatres will depend on the situation of the country at that time. A few days ago, Shoojit Sircar announced that his next film as director, Gulabo Sitabo, starring Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana, directly एक OTT platform पे release होगी. The film was completed and ready for release in April itself, लेकिन थिएटर्स बंद रहने की वजह से काफी फिल्मों की रिलीज डेट्स पोस्टपोन हो गई है. And no one is certain when audiences will return to theaters.
So though the film has huge stars like Amitabh Bachchan and Ayushmann Khurrana, who had multiple 100 crore successes over the past 2 years, Shoojit ने फिल्म को ऑनलाइन रिलीज करने का फैसला किया so that he could recover the costs of making the film and use that towards completing his next film Udham Singh starring Vicky Kaushal. Opening up about the decision to release the film online and the ongoing conflict with movie theatres, he said, "I made Gulabo Sitabo as a cinematic experience. It was the situation that called for a decision like this. So I experimented. I'm happy to do this experiment. Both Gulabo Sitabo and Udham Singh are cinematic experiences. Nothing is less, nothing is more. It is all about creating good cinema." But when asked if Udham Singh, which is a biopic starring another popular actor Vicky Kaushal, will also get a direct online release, Shoojit ne kaha, "I have been working on one film at a time. One film recovers a little cost that helps me move on to the next one. Udham Singh needs post-production work, which I'll start once I release Gulabo Sitabo. We regenerate employment that way. We still don't know which way we will go with Udham Singh at this point. There's work pending in the post-production of the film, which we need to complete first." With highly anticipated films like Gulabo Sitabo, Shakuntala Devi, Gunjan Saxena the Kargil Girl and Khali Pili all poised for an online release, there is a storm brewing in the industry about the future of the movie business. There has been a war of words between theatre owners and film producers because this mushkil time mein everyone is suffering losses. Wahin others feel that this may be the new normal where OTT platforms and movie theatres both coexist as screening platforms.
Planet Bollywood में लेते हैं एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, but guys stay tuned because I'll be back in a short while. Sushmita Sen has revealed that she has fought a long battle with Addison's disease, which forced her to take steroids and other treatments, which caused her appearance to change and left her feeling exhausted. But with a lot of self-belief, yoga, meditation and other workouts, उन्होंने अपने आप को धीरे-धीरे heal किया and has now managed to reverse the condition, which is usually incurable. Sushmita Sen has launched a video sharing channel where she gives her fans glimpses into her life with her daughters and boyfriend Roman Shaul.
It is heart-wrenching when a beauty queen who everyone expects to be beautiful and glamorous all the time has to start battling a major hormonal issue where she gains weight, has bags under her eye and feels exhausted constantly. Sushmita, who had revealed in a television interview about how she was diagnosed with a life-threatening condition called Addison's disease, where her body stopped producing cortisol. Her adrenal glands had stopped working and she was put on strong doses of steroids to keep her going. Lekin as a side effect, she gained weight and she had body shaming and negative comments in the press. Sushmita writes in her post, "After I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition called Addison's disease in September 2014, it left me feeling like I had no fight left in me. A fatigued body filled with immense frustration and aggression. The dark circles under my eyes can't even begin to explain the dark times I endured for 4 years. To have steroids substitute cortisol and to live with its innumerable side effects took its toll. There is nothing more tiring than to live with a chronic illness." But recently, Sushmita has posted a new video on her online channel describing how she slowly healed herself and refused to give in to her illness. Sushmita, who is known as one of the fittest celebs in town and has an almost perfect physique even now, was in depths of despair at one time. So she changed her exercise regime. She started doing yoga, inversions and working on nunchaku. Enough was enough. I had to find a way of strengthening my mind, allowing my body to follow suit. I meditated with nunchaku. Aggression out, fight back in, and pain turned into an art form. Sharing a recent video from herself practicing with nunchaku and her teacher, Sushmita wrote, "I healed in time. My adrenal glands woke up. No more steroids, no withdrawals, and no autoimmune condition as of 2019. Offering inspiration to others, Sushmita wrote in her post, "No one knows your body better than you. Listen to it. There is a warrior in all of us. Never give up."
Siddharth Malhotra, who's in lockdown, has decided to follow the Prime Minister's advice and become self-sufficient. So when he ran out of bread, the good-looking actor decided कि बाहर जाकर bread क्यों खरीदना, खुद ही बना लो. And looks like he put together a healthy recipe and he baked himself a loaf of bread. बढ़िया है Siddharth. Nothing more attractive than a man who can cook for himself.
बैठे बैठे क्या करे, करना है कुछ काम. झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन कटका खाना बना लो आप. Looks like our movie stars who don't have the time or have the luxury of never venturing into the kitchen are all turning a new leaf and becoming more gharelu or getting in touch with their pre-stardom selves. Katrina probably started the trend with sharing videos of herself doing the dishes and sweeping the floors क्योंकि फिलहाल चिकनी चमेली अपने फ्लोर से चिकनाई मिटा रही है. Malaika Arora made laddus and baked. Sonam Kapoor in her new Bahu avatar has been cooking up gluten-free and vegan dishes in her sasural in Delhi. Deepika has been pampering her husband with Thai and Italian food, and Kriti Sanon recently had her mouth watering with her video of homemade khawswe complete with all the toppings. And now Siddharth Malhotra, one of Bollywood's most eligible bachelors, has shown that there is nothing hotter than a man who can cook for himself and is not hanging around for home deliveries or women to look after him. Siddharth, who ran out of his healthy bread during the lockdown, decided to make a loaf for himself, and after mixing together all the ingredients and giving it a check, Siddharth actually manages to create a fairly good loaf of bread. Bravo Siddharth, maybe इस लॉकडाउन के बाद आप कोई शेफ का रोल ढूंढिए, because you look all set with this practice.
Well, that brings us to the end of our episode on Planet Bollywood. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do not forget to leave your views and comments in the comment section below on our social media handle and digital platform. This is me, Sagarika Chetri, signing off for now, but promising to be back tomorrow. But you've got to promise me to stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.